Okay, Perodua alza installed for ONEgo 10.1-inch Android GPS big screen player. Okay, connect with reverse camera. Aftermarket reverse camera. You can choose for convex camera or Coco camera. Okay, ONEgo 10.1-inch reverse camera wheel. Okay, you can install Papago from Play Store. Download YouTube. Bluetooth connection, Bluetooth pairing with your phone. A radio. And styling control. Okay, and File Explorer to manage your file. Joby to download app. Setting, turn on Wi-Fi, connect your phone hotspot. Okay, 4.4 Android at 1 GB RAM and 16 GB storage. Okay, display 1024x600. You can support all full HD camera. So this is ONEgo 10.1-inch with alza OEM casing. So which is the screen will fix outside of panel. Okay, ONEgo 10.1-inch for Perodua alza, installed by OneBiz. Thank you.